welcome back to Process Junkie. I'm Jason. Today I wanted to share something with you that I kind of came up with in a drunken fugue state in Paris one time. It was, I basically didn't have a lot of ink left. I didn't pack enough ink in my like travel kit. So I started drawing people at like restaurants and around the streets, but I would only allow myself one dip of the dip pen, right? So I had to do the entire sketch, the entire portrait, usually a portrait, just using one dip of ink. What that did was it allowed me to not overthink things, certainly not overwork things, because as the great Nick Meglin once said, overwork can strangle a piece of art instead of breathe life into it. And what he means by that is what you leave out is way more important, or as important, as what you put into the drawing. Sometimes if you have an infinite amount of time and ink and energy and you just feel like you want to keep adding to something, either because it feels nice to draw or it just feels like you want to keep putting stuff on the page, you kind of kill the thing in the process. There are great artists like Sam Gross and Liana Fink who kind of know when to stop, and I believe that their waste paper bins are just full of rejects and versions of the drawings that just didn't kind of hit. They had too many lines in them and they just kept paring them down and down and down and down. I really, really respect people like that. William Steig, I think it's Steig. William Steig, there's a great book that was edited and written by Lee Lorenz, who was the cartoon editor of The New Yorker for a long time. The William Steig book is a masterclass in how you can go from like, okay, learn how to draw traditionally and fill up a page with hatching and color and chiaroscuro and all of that stuff. But then the lessons of paring down to essentially just what is needed and nothing else, like Bill Watterson, great cartoonist in that respect. Patrick McDonnell, great minimalist cartoonist. So yeah, force yourself, just as an exercise, one dip portraits, okay? One dip of a dip pen. It could be any kind of dip pen, but I'd probably recommend like a Croquill or like a Hunt 102, something small that holds a decent amount of ink and doesn't just like drool all over the page like a Hunt 101 Imperial, which just, forget about it. One dip portraits. As soon as the ink is out, you're done. Try it, let me know what you think. I'm gonna write a little bit about it down below. See ya.